think I'm gonna live. I've gotten lost like, oh God. Oh, there's a fork in the road. Yikes. I went solo traveling in Peru. Disclaimer, don't do this. Don't go to Peru without a guide. I mean, maybe if you want, or at least bring like a partner. I went on this trek by myself, and within the first like couple hours, I was lost. And now I'm on a dirt road, which is always a really good sign. So I'm gonna stop trying to cut through a bunch of stuff and actually just stay on the road. I experienced something I didn't expect, which was I'm about to go into nature, and it has nothing to do with the country or the people or the food or food poisoning or anything like that. I was going into Mother Nature's fury. I had asked a few different people, like, is there markers along the trail? And people were saying, you really need a guide. I was so jaded by some of my past travels thinking that it was all a sales pitch. I think that I'm supposed to go this way according to this little scribble map that isn't even accurate, like it wasn't even a topographic map. I'm on my way to this town and would come across sheep herders and try to ask them in my really shitty Spanish, like, hey, how do I get to here? And to come to find out they were speaking the native Quechua tongue. It's just like, it's amazing. I can ask people for directions, so turn around and hit the route back. So I'll be okay, I won't die, it will be stupid. I was just referring back to the river. I said, okay, well, if I don't get here by nightfall, then I will find a rock and sleep behind it, and then I might have to just go back. And I was so cocky, thinking that I could go and do this trek all by myself without a partner or a travel guide or really much more information than that. Going through the Sacred Valley where there's local sheep herders and coca leaves and elevation was like this amazing experience. This is what life is about, is really putting yourself in situations where like, I'm really scared. It's that trust in yourself and also trusting that you can just go do anything and it'll work out. I finally found some alpacas and a couple that's with their guide. So no, I'm not lost. Thank God.